Welcome to another X-ray University video. Today, it's a special one. We're going to show you how to go from a BGA to CT to the 3D printer, but a special promotion at the end of the video. Don't miss it. So, check our video today. Really exciting stuff. So we did the CT of this really tiny micro BGA with less than 0.5 millimeter pitch solder balls. And by doing the CT of this micro BGA, we're able to obtain this beautiful volume that allows us to see all the balls on the BGA and the voids and all the defects, having peel on every little detail on this micro BGA assembly. Now, the really cool thing we did now is to take this volume, turn into surfaces that we're able to then export an STL file and import into our 3D printer software. So you can see here on the bottom, I have the software for my 3D printer. And what I'm gonna do is I selected 6 balls right here on the corner of this BGA, put it in our 3D printer, and I'm printing 2 versions. One, the whole ball, as you can see here, and I'm also printing a slice of the ball. So let's check it out how it came out. So again, from a BGA to X-rays to CT onto our 3D printer software, and here we have it. All the solder balls have been printed out as we discussed, that we showed before, and it's really awesome to actually be able to see and touch the defects and understand exactly how they were constructed. Now, the promotion that I told you about at the beginning of this video, if you place an order for a CT upgrade or CT machine from today to the end of the year 2024, you will get a brand new free 3D printer with your CT order. Pretty cool. And we'll teach you and show you exactly how to take your samples from physical samples to X-rays to CT to 3D printing your samples, not only with the exterior defects and all the details that you're going to get from your CT volume, but also the internal defects, right? As you can see here, we see not only on the outside of each solder ball, but also the internal defects that you can actually do failure analysis. You can do cross-sectioning of a solder ball now this big to get a really good understanding of what's happening with your manufacturing process. So don't forget to subscribe and give us a call today to learn more about it, and visit us at creativeelectron.com. Thanks for watching.